Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 10 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, in this video we will show you how to assemble the TW S3.5-10 E scissor lift from TWIN BUSCH. Your scissor lift is delivered on a single pallet. The box with the control unit is opened first. Four rubber blocks are included in the delivery. Take out the control unit now. The manual for your lift can be found here. Read the manual carefully before continuing with the assembly. Put the control unit aside to continue with the assembly. The next step is removing the lift's external packaging. Remove the cable ties which held together the foot protection bars, hoses, and cables for the transport. The cables and hoses can be guided into the control unit now. To do this, open the front cover of the control unit. Guide the cables and hoses through one of the lateral openings at the bottom of the control unit. To connect the oil hoses, the protection caps on the hydraulic power unit must be removed first. We start with the left side. Which hose goes into which connection is irrelevant. As a precaution, proof that the connections on the power unit are tightened correctly. Fasten an oil hose on each side. Now the electrical cables are guided upwards toward the terminal block. Please note, the following electrical installation should only be carried out by a qualified electrician. The wiring is basically based on the numbers on the cables from the opposite side. If there are 2 cables for the same connection number, then both cables go into the same connection. If 2 connections have the same number, then the cables will be divided between both connections. To fill the oil tank, the magnetic coil of the release valve is removed first. Fill the oil tank with 5 liters of hydraulic oil. Mount the magnetic coil again. Lay the electrical cables carefully with cable ties and then screw the control unit cover back on. The lift can be raised for the first time now. Lift up until the lift is locked at least once. The transport wooden blocks can now be unbolted. Lower the lift then. Lift the TW S3.5-10 E with a suitable lifting device, a forklift for example, to remove the rest of the packaging and the pallet. Alternatively, this step can also be carried out with a motor crane, pallet truck or car jack. Finally, the foot protection bars are screwed on both sides with the pre-mounted Allen screws. The lift is now ready for use, and a test with the vehicle can be carried out.